One thing I think that young people are quite worried about at the moment is the student finance, the financial element of going to university. And there is, there's no getting away from it, a lot in the press at the moment about the cost in terms of fees and cost of living and the current situation financially that we're in at the moment. What was your experience about applying for student finance for your elders? Because a lot of people are quite scared of it. It's not something you would have done before. How straightforward did you find the process?
Extremely straightforward, and no delays. You get in a panic thinking, what if it's not come through? But yeah, very straightforward.
But in terms of how clearly it sets out, each year and the loans you take out, the grants you have, what you pay back, did you find that quite clear?
I'm not sure that's something you're going to be sort of retaining at the forefront of your mind. And so, I am aware that, years later when you graduate and you are paying it back, there is obviously a lot of talk about the interest rates and things like that, which is making it more of a daunting prospect currently, because that's getting a lot of airtime. Going back to your terms and conditions about perceiving it and viewing it and treating it like an additional tax and a tax that's going to enable you to earn more, that's going to enable you to have a different lifestyle and to excel in the career that you choose. And I think that for us then put us into the no-brainer category.
I think one of the things that sort of young people and parents are also not aware of is that there are a lot of scholarships and bursaries available, depending on the course, depending on the university. Lots of information is available about that on universities' websites by searching on scholarships and bursaries. Always worth checking it out and looking it up, because you might be entitled to something that you didn't think was available to you. So again, there is lots more support coming through.
Yeah, that's definitely come through when we've visited different universities, and it's not all kind of means tested. What was exciting about the international business degree that I've been talking about was there was bursaries available for really innovative projects and evidence of perhaps entrepreneurship and things that you'd done before and ideas you wanted to take forward. So it was really encouraging from that perspective as well.